Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password for your GrubHub's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your password for your GrubHub's account, firstly open your GrubHub application. The home page of GrubHub will appear on the screen. Tap on Account option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Password option. On the next page, enter your current password and then a new password for your GrubHub's account. Make sure that your password must have at least 8 characters with one uppercase and lowercase letter, a number and a special character on it. Tap on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. After entering a new password, click on Save. This is how you can change your password for your GrubHub's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.